case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit heard the case of United States v. Carrillo, addressing the admissibility of extrinsic act evidence to prove identity in a drug distribution case. Augustin Mora Carrillo was accused of distributing heroin and cocaine, but claimed mistaken identity. In the first trial, the court allowed evidence from 2 other drug sales to establish Carrillo's identity, but ultimately ordered a new trial when it found these sales were not sufficiently similar to the charged offense. Carrillo requested the evidence be excluded, but his motion was denied. The government presented evidence from 2 police officers, claiming it proved Carrillo's identity as the perpetrator of the drug sale. However, the admissibility of the extrinsic act evidence was challenged under Federal Rule of Evidence 404(b), which prohibits the admission of such evidence to prove character. The court held that an identical modus operandi was not the only admissible evidence under the identity exception, and other evidence might be acceptable. However, the extrinsic acts in this case lacked sufficient similarity to the charged offense for Rule 404(b) admission. Due to the insufficient similarity of the extrinsic acts, Carrillo's conviction was vacated and a new trial was ordered. At the retrial, an undercover officer testified he purchased a narcotics-filled balloon from Carrillo, who maintained the police officer had misidentified him as the seller. The case highlighted the importance of careful consideration when allowing extrinsic act evidence to be introduced in order to protect defendants from being unfairly prejudiced by evidence used merely to make them appear guilty by association.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.